This is Benjamin Johnson doing the video demonstration of Assignment 1 Task 2, which involves the user input for turning on and off the RGB LEDs, as well as the user telling the program, telling the Tiva-C to give it the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius, as well as another instruction for another command for getting the current status of the LEDs. So we'll go ahead and debug it real quick, and we see that the debug works just fine. Terminal port is COM3 for the device, so that's why I've got that open here in the terminal. And we can go ahead and we run it. And as you can see here, from the breakpoint, we see that the temperature sensor is working, and that we are getting the temperatures in Celsius and Fahrenheit. I'll also quickly show you here that the LEDs are default off when the program runs. So I'll just go ahead and quickly show you. This means that when I put in the status command, right there you can see LEDs are all off, as we just saw. I'll go ahead and quickly show you the temperature. So capital T for Celsius. Excuse me, press the wrong button. There we go. And then we also have lowercase t for Fahrenheit right there. The command is a little bit tricky with the way the clock works, and so that's why when you're holding down the key, depending on your timing, sometimes it'll just display, a long string of output, just because of the way the clock interacts with the input. But everything works fine. So let's go ahead and start turning on some LEDs. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on with capital R. We see red turns on. With capital B, we see blue turns on and it makes purple. I'll go ahead and do lowercase r to turn off the red LED, uppercase G to turn on the green LED. I'm going to do, I'm not sure how well it's coming through on the camera, but it's now, it's a lighter blue with the green LED on, versus when it's just the blue LED, it's a darker blue. I'm going to turn off the blue LED with a lowercase b. As you can see, it's just the green LED on. I'm going to do uppercase R to turn the red on. Now we're getting this kind of, well, it's both green and red at the same time. I guess through the camera it kind of looks orange. And then just to go ahead and show you that the status, again, the status does work. You can see that red and green are on and blue is off. I'll go ahead and let's go ahead and turn off red and green. I can read the wrong key. There we go. Turned off green, turn on blue, and go ahead and get the status again. And there we go. We see that red's off, blue is on, green is off. And that is it for my Task 2 demonstration for Assignment 1.